It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 12th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Temperature is pretty close to seasonal averages today and tomorrow. And then after that, a warming trend takes over. That'll extend all the way through the first part of next week. Maybe slightly cooler temps thereafter. But overall, the big story here is that no rain is in sight anytime within the next 7 days, probably well beyond that. Let's talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 67 degrees the afternoon high, 44 the morning low, and that's right about where we ought to be for this time of year. Outside now, here just after 7 o'clock, a few high clouds out there this morning. We're sitting at 43 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 16, relative humidity 33%, the air is calm, and the barometer 30.27 inches and steady. Temperatures this morning, kind of chilly out there, 27 at Fort McDowell, 29 at Goldfield, 34 at Litchfield, as well as Buckeye and North Phoenix, 36 in Surprise, 38 in Scottsdale, upper 30s to mid 40s through most of the metro. As we look across the country, there is a weak little positively tilted trough to the east of us, a ridge to the west, a dry northerly flow here over Arizona. The main storm track is well to the north of us, and it will remain so for a while. Here's the watch warning maps and winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings up across parts of the northwestern states and into the Rockies. Some high wind watches as well for portions of Montana and the Dakotas. We've got some freeze warnings over sections of Texas and Louisiana. Otherwise, things rather quiet at present. Speaking of quiet, the convective outlook, no organized severe weather, no thunder to be found across the contiguous United States, and that's true for tomorrow as well as all the way into Thursday. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide, really nothing to be found across the greater Southwest as dry conditions will continue. Our La Nina pattern remains textbook in that we will stay dry under high pressure, and we'll talk about it in more detail as we get into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging to the west, a little trough to the east, a northwesterly flow aloft here across Arizona today, and what that means for us down at the surface. Yeah, what you see is what you get. Mostly sunny sky, high temperatures, mid-60s. Tonight, clear sky and dry air means lows will drop in the 30s for most of us. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny again, highs mid and upper 60s. Now, as we go to Thursday, ridging starts to build in from the west. The pressure gradient will tighten just a little bit, though, and so I do expect some breezy conditions, especially over the Colorado River Valley. Could see some northerly winds gusting to around 25, maybe even 30 miles per hour there at times. Otherwise, for us here in the valley, just a light breeze, high temperatures low to mid 70s. Pretty much the same setup on Friday, mostly sunny skies, some breezes over the lower Colorado River Valley, highs here in Phoenix, low to mid 70s. And the weekend, no real changes here, highs low to mid 70s for Saturday, and Sunday the sky remains mostly clear. As we get to Monday, strong Pacific ridging remains to the west of us, but evidence of shortwave energy now coming down the east side of the Rockies, mainly east of the Four Corners. And that will carve out an impressive trough over the Plain States that could weaken the eastern flank of the Pacific Ridge just enough to allow some breezy conditions to come into Arizona and slightly cooler temperatures, highs upper 60s and low 70s, but, of course, no precipitation with any of that. Let's go to a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 19th of January, 588 ridge well to the west of us. A dry northwesterly flow continues. And yeah, pretty decent trough going on across the central and eastern part of the country, but no implication on us other than, once again, breezy conditions and temperatures just a little bit above average, perhaps. Let's look out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 21st. And now we've got troughing just to the north of us, mainly a zonal flow here, and high temperatures should be backing down closer to average. Breezy conditions, but again, no sign of precipitation. Speaking of rain, let's take a look at that coming off of the GFS ensemble here. 31 members, and most of them don't show any rain for us over the next couple of weeks. The ensemble mean is under 1/10 of an inch, so we're not worried about precipitation anytime soon. Could we go the entire month of January without rain? Certainly possible. And temperatures off the national blend of models, yeah, mid-60s today, upper 60s perhaps by tomorrow. And then we get in the 70s and stay there for at least several days. And then high temperatures mostly staying at or just above average thereafter. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a glorious Tuesday.